viewers. I'm Michael, an agricultural engineer by profession, and this is AgroVenture Investments Zambia Limited. Standing right behind me is FMO tractor. It's a 70 HP, as you can see. So I'll just show you some features which this tractor has that separates it from these other tractors. 4x4 tractor. There's a turbocharger that gives it extra traction power. In front, as you can see, it's equipped with a big radiator, and then it has a safety feature. You see, there's a master switch. So with this switch, this is where you turn on and off to engage the safety feature. So I'll just quickly mount the tractor so that you can hear the sounds. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the sound of the tractor. As you can hear,